Hi, this reviews page 3 in the special right triangle packet, numbers 13 to 18. Okay, so numbers 13 to 18 uses, let me zoom in on this, uses a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Make this smaller. Okay, so the first thing you want to look at is we need our other sides, okay? The formula for a 45, 45, 90 triangle is that the hypotenuse is x square root 2, and these two sides are the same, okay, because again, it's 45, 45, 90. So since you're given the hypotenuse, which is 3 square root 2, you know that hypotenuse is equal to x square root 2. So all you want to do is find the x, and there's two ways to think about this. Okay, so one is setting up the formula like I just did. Solving for x, you're just dividing by the square root 2, and they cancel. So those square root 2's are gone. You end up with both of these sides are 3. Okay? The other way that you can think about this is you know that the hypotenuse is x square root 2. Well, there's already a square root 2 here. Because there's already a square root 2 there, your x has to be 3. There's not really any solving that's necessary on this one. Okay, I like to always say set it equal to the formula, like I did over here. Just because you're being consistent, you're doing it for all of them, but you do not have to. Okay, so your two sides are 3 and 3. So hopefully that helps. And those ratios are always the same in a 45, 45, 90. Okay, same with your 30, 60, 90. Okay, and these formulas are on the front of your special right triangle packet, so if you need to refer back to that, that might help you. All right, and then let me go over the actual problems for 13 to 18 if you need to, or if you need this, I should say. So remember SOHCAHTOA. Okay, your sine ratio, okay, sine A, is always opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so we're looking here. Oh, you know what? Let me look at our labels. This C didn't show up very well. So this here, we have A, C, and then B is over here. Okay, so it's important that you look at the angle that they're referring to. So the opposite from A, the side opposite is 3. The hypotenuse is 3 square root 2. Okay, those 3's cancel, and then you need to rationalize the denominator. So multiply the top and bottom by square root 2. So you end up with square root 2 over 2. Okay. 14 is tangent of A. Let me come down here so I have more room. So tangent of A is opposite over adjacent. The opposite is 3, and the adjacent is 3. So you end up with 1. Cosine of A is adjacent, which is 3, over hypotenuse, which is 3 square root 2. So let me rewrite this one out for you. Those 3's cancel. You then need to multiply the top and bottom by square root 2 to rationalize your denominator. So 15 is just square root 2 over 2. Number 16, we have sine of B. So now we're switching our angle, coming down here. Sine of B is opposite, which is 3, over hypotenuse, which is 3 square root 2. Those 3's cancel, so you have 1 over square root 2, and just like we did in the others, rationalize your denominator, so you have square root 2 over 2 for 16. Okay, 17, you have tangent of B. So tangent of B is opposite, which is 3, over adjacent, which is 3. So that reduces to 1. And then 18, cosine of B. Adjacent is 3, and hypotenuse is 3 square root 2. So again, like the other ones, multiply the top and bottom by square root 2. So you have square root 2 over 2. Okay, let me know if this helps. If not, like I said, we can set up a Zoom meeting so you can look at the whiteboard while we're talking, or I can create another video. And hope all is well. Stay safe and healthy. Have a good day.